Film robots! Welcome to our class on essential film terminology. Understanding these terms is crucial for effective communication and collaboration in the world of filmmaking. Let's dive in and explore the basic vocabulary every filmmaker should know. First, let's talk about the frame. A frame is the most basic unit of visual storytelling in film. It's a single image or still from a sequence of images that create the illusion of motion. Next, we have the shot. A shot is a series of frames captured in an uninterrupted period of time. Shots are the building blocks of any film, with various types serving different storytelling purposes. Now, let's discuss angles. An angle refers to the position of the camera relative to the subject. Different angles can convey different emotions and perspectives, such as high or low angles. Moving on to sequences. A sequence is a series of scenes that form a distinct narrative unit, usually connected by a single idea or action. For example, a chase sequence in an action movie. Finally, understanding narrative structure is key. Films are typically divided into 3 acts: Act 1, setup; Act 2, confrontation; and Act 3, resolution. Each act serves a specific role in storytelling.